very cold, very windy. We're at New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of our New Zealand series, and this is our very first day in New Zealand. So yesterday night we checked in at this hotel, had our cup noodles for dinner. Today morning we had our breakfast and the weather is like this.
So we will show you from where we booked our car and where we are staying and what we will do today.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go to Te Anau. Welcome to our stay in Driftaway, Queenstown. So this is a triple bedroom. We have this double bed on one side, one single bed, storage spaces, a huge fridge, and they had given us a milk which really came out handy today morning for breakfast. And on this side we have a small pantry with microwave, all the basic utensils and everything. But if you're wondering where is the wash basin or the kitchen stuffs, so kitchen and washroom are on the shared facility. They have a huge facility hub where there are loads of induction, and here we have a nice couch, a workstation, and this view from here, this patio balcony looks amazing. We just stayed for a few hours because we came yesterday night late, and it's 10 o'clock. We really have to check out now. We will carry on and let you know everything about this on the way.
And the price of this stay is $130 for both of us.
So now that we have checked out, let's show you the huge campground that Driftaway Queenstown is. I mean, we are also seeing it right now because yesterday we came at night, so we couldn't see anything. So this is one of the chalet where we stayed. So that's room number 5, the last one. Right beside our room is the facility hub where the kitchen and the washroom is. The entire town, like 360 degree, all I can see are mountains, either covered in snow or trees or some houses, and there are huge mountains which we cannot see because it's cloudy today. This property is actually basically more of a campground, and there are few chalets where few rooms are like shared properties and few have with private washrooms. We got the only available one, which was a triple bedroom room. It was a bit higher cost as well. Now let's go and show you the facility hub. Behind me is the facility hub. So inside there are multiple washrooms, shower room, and a huge kitchen space where there are many inductions and wash basins. So all the utensils are mostly provided in the room. So you just need to bring here, use it and wash, and then clean it back to your room. Here we have barbecues as well. There is a playground. There is so much this property has to offer. If you're looking for a spot to stay in Queenstown for a couple of days, or a campground if you're renting an RV in New Zealand, this is one of the best places to do that. Today's plan is to first hit the grocery store because we would need that for a 1-week road trip in New Zealand. And from grocery store, our road trip will continue to Te Anau.
In 200 meters, turn right.
It's almost 1 hour we are driving. We are right now at a lookout spot at like Wakatipu lookout. Yeah, we can see the lake and the closest mountains. Unfortunately, the weather is so bad today. But we knew that this is spring, so there will be rain. So that's why it's cheaper, because summer is very expensive in New Zealand if you're traveling. That would be way out of our budget.
Although we are not seeing much, but whatever we are seeing, that's very much scenic.
It's completely transporting us to the Highlands of Scotland. And how is driving after 1 year?
It's horrible. In rain, in wrong side of the road. Like in New Zealand, it's right side, but from Canada, it's wrong side.
It's all like
curvy roads.
Bending, yeah.
It's not straight road. It's good drive, but for me who is not drove much, it's a little risky. So I'm focusing on road.
So it's good there is nothing much distraction. So we are just focusing on the journey at this point because it was the first full day. So we will take it slow. So here there are public toilets, potties or whatever you call that. It's clean inside. There are tissue and sanitizer. It's very stinky, so keep your eyes closed, keep your nose closed, do your business and get out fast. Here's a cute little library. So keep this facility clean. It's free to use and the views are as always gorgeous. So after an hour of drive, we got a rest stop at Kingston, and here I can see sheep right in front of me. That's why I'm smiling, I cannot control it. And so we got one honey mustard ham sandwich and one egg mayo sandwich. So that will be our lunch. And this is like a small grocery store, but we are not doing our main grocery here. That we will do at Te Anau. So let's eat now. And this costed us a lot. Like it's very expensive in New Zealand. So we will do our main groceries from Te Anau because hopefully there will be a bigger shop so we can get cheaper prices. 1.5 liter of water bottle, and guess what the price? It's almost $5, $4.90. It's very expensive. So bring your bottles and you can ask the front desk person and she will refill the water bottle for you. So we saved $5, 5 New Zealand dollars. So after our pit stop, we are now driving towards Te Anau, and the roads are, I don't know how to describe this. This is heavenly. It's really transporting us to Scotland. Like if you have been to Scotland, you can relate. Literally looking like the Inverness of Scotland, the Highlands with the similar kind of terrains, and on the backdrop there are few mountains which are snow-capped, but we cannot see it because of the clouds, and it giving us the moody vibes. And there are sheep everywhere. So many sheep we are seeing. It's very cold, very windy. I'm shivering and I think I need to pee. There are numerous lookout points in this road, and right now we just stopped to see this moss, I don't know, red moss kind of thing, like the ones you mostly found in the prairies and the tundra regions. The entire region is conservation area, and we are in the early spring, so there are few trees which are green, but mostly it's still weird off, and it's looking amazing. And I'm now going inside the car. So right now we are passing through some wilderness scientific reserve area. This entire road is named as Wilderness, like very aptly named, and the scenic route continues.
So unfortunately your room's not quite ready yet.
Okay.
Probably won't be ready for about, I would say, half an hour, 40 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this car, we got it from Avis budget. We took this car for 6 days and it is $39 per day. We didn't take any insurance. We declined that insurance because the car insurance which we have is through our AMEX Platinum card. It gives us insurance free. So we didn't need that extra amount. So $39 per day, 6 nights. And regarding SIM card, which we got again from Iralo, you can use the Iralo. In description below, you get the code. $3 discount you will get for your first purchase. So Iralo is cheaper in New Zealand because we were seeing that $25 for 2 GB, but we got $10 US for 3 GB, and that is for included New Zealand as well as Australia for 30 days. So we can use the same in Australia as well. So we are now walking towards grocery store. Actually my brain is freezed. It's so cold here. In front of us we can see that mountain with
Snow-capped mountains.
Snow, exactly. It's so beautiful, this town Te Anau. Our room is not ready yet. They told it will be ready at 2:30.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we are going for that groceries. So
There are many motels in this town, and don't think motel like US motels.
Oh my god, not that.
These are like very 3-star, 4-star category motels.
Yeah, they should be so clean.
Yeah. So once we get the room, we will give you the room tour and tell you about the price and everything.
Yeah. So let's go get groceries.
And as this is spring, there are so many flowers, and on our way here, we saw cherry blossom. Like literally, it's feeling a bit weird that we are seeing cherry blossom in the month of September. But we are in the southern hemisphere, so everything is upside down. So what we thought of buying just some snacks ended up being 2 bags of groceries, and it costed us 77 New Zealand dollars. So let's go and check it out. Just outside the grocery store, this is how it looks. Welcome to our 2-night stay at Lake Te Anau. So this is actually an entry from the backyard. So we have parked our car right outside, and here once we enter, on our left we have a washroom. It's a nice standing shower with a curtain. Come on, a wash machine with a nice mirror. Here is the bedroom. We have again somehow got a triple sharing room. This is a double bed. This is a single bed. This mattress is very comfy and this is very soft. And here we have our heating system. This is the heater. This is actually quite similar to the heaters which we were getting in UK. Again, Scotland. And here is some storage spaces. And on this side, we have a huge living space, a couch, a relaxing chair. On this side, we have a dining area, a TV, and this side, look at this scenery. This is how it actually looks, actually better than the picture. And this side is a small little kitchen, and they have equipped us with lots of teas and coffee, and some microwave, fridge, given us some milk for the tea. And mostly all these drawers, everything are equipped with all the utensils that you would need. And on this side, the best part, this is a ground floor villa kind of thing. Here's the view of the main street. Who will tell this is the main street? That's the Parklands Motel and Apartments where we are. Opposite to us is a huge park with lots of biodiversity, so many trees and birds which we haven't seen before. And as this is a springtime, all the flowers, all the trees have started blooming, and this is a lovely stay which has costed us $93 per night. So in this entire street towards Lake Te Anau, which is right end of the street, there are many motels, and all the motels in the off season have vacancies like right now. So if you're traveling in off season and haven't booked a room yet, you can just come directly here and check out whichever motels has vacancies, and you might negotiate with them and you can get a better price. That's our place where we are staying. The second one, this one. So we actually got out and thought we will just walk to the Lake Te Anau, which is right here. But our hotel owner, she told us that if we just go right straight to Lake Te Anau and then take a left, there is a place called Manapouri or Minori or something like that. We'll figure it out. Which is like a 20 minutes ride, and it's more beautiful. As the sun is out, it should be better in terms of views. So we are just going. Let's see. This is the cute little mountain town of Manapouri, but unfortunately by the time we came to Manapouri, the rain is pouring. It's pouring.
Rainy again.
Manapouri, it's pouring.
We might not go out from the car.
Because it's windy as well. So, but I can imagine that on a clear day, this area, the spot will look amazing, because the lake is vast. It's a clear view of the lake, and it's mountain, like again 360 degrees, and you are very close to the mountains. That's the best part when you are in New Zealand, when you're in Scotland. So this area is like, unlike Canada and US, I feel you get more intimate with the mountains, and that makes the best thing out of this countries. As he said, we don't think we will go out of the car because it's windy and raining, but this place also has many motels. We can see it. So if you're coming towards Milford Sound and you need a rest stop, I mean for a night or 2 nights, apart from Lake Te Anau, I think this is a good option as well.
This might be cheaper.
Cheaper, yeah, because this is not very famous. Te Anau, many people knows about it. dinner is served. So we made rice, mashed potato and stir-fried veggies with chicken. And now we are damn hungry. Tomorrow is going to be an early morning call, and for that you need to subscribe and share this one with your friends and family so that you can get notified for our next episode.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
All time friends. Malva.
this is our car rental. And the car rental is
So right now we are going. Hello.
Oh, hello, mic testing. Hello. Kira. In kiwi, you get kiwi fruit.
Kiwi people eat kiwi. This is very soft and this is very soft. Duty soft bolla.